Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Datu. Love ka ni Lola Ninang. Wish ni Lola Ninang ay good health at lumaki kang mabait, masunurin kay Mami, kay Daddy, at kay Mamsi, at higit sa lahat, maging masunurin kay Jesus. Love ka ni Lola Ninang. Miss you, anak. Love you.
Happy birthday dato ako. Pagbutihin mong pag-aaral mo. Sana'y gabayan ka ng Panginoon sa araw-araw. I love you.
Hello, Dato. Happy birthday. Sigurado, enjoy na enjoy ka ngayon, ha? Kasi birthday mo. And natutuwa naman ako at by this time, siguradong magaling ka ng magtagalog. Hindi ka na Inglesero. So, enjoy your time, enjoy the day, and happy birthday once more. I love you.
Happy 10th birthday, Datu. I love you so much. Ngayong 10 years old ka na po, sana mas maging mabait ka na at matuto kang huwag sumagot ng sumagot sa magulang mo. Ikaw kasi sa ngayon ay wala kang pinapalampas, lahat sinasagot mo. Tapos, madalas nakakalimutan mo pang magpo. Kaya dapat mas responsable ka na ngayon kasi 10 years old ka na. Tapos, mag-aral kang mabuti at mas maging mabait ka sa kapatid mo, mas maging pasensyoso apo. Pagkatapos, natutuwa ako kasi altar server ka ngayon, ipagpatuloy mo yan upang lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. Sana ay isabuhay mo yung mga natututunan mo sa simbahan, ha? Saan ba ang saan ba ang birthday blowout mo? Meron ka bang blowout sa school ngayon? Tayo sa na lang ulit, ha? Sa Saturday na lang. Okay? I love you, Apo. God bless.
My dearest Datu, may so malambing na apo, especially when you need gadgets. You're my first grandson, my wonder boy, whom I appreciate so much. I could say that I'm lucky enough to see how you grow day in and day out. Hindi ko man sinasabi sa'yo na you make my day, especially when you hug me, when you kiss me, and babati ka ng good morning, Mamsi, what's the ulam? It's your 10th birthday, and all I wish for you is just enjoy your day, enjoy your youth, and be happy. Always be a loving person, my apo, caring and friendly to others, to everyone. Also be a good listener. I always pray to our God for you to grow spiritually strong. May you be blessed with a lot more recognition as you grow older and all your dreams come true. Never stop dreaming. And may your angels walk with you in every step of the way. I love you, Datu Sacho.